Is it just another hole in the ground? Or
No.
a ditch?
No, it's beautiful. Grand Canyon West. Gorgeous in person.
For some context,
We kept every time we'd go on our cross country, well, the 2 cross country trips, we stopped here at the Grand Canyon. And every time my mom was like, why would I want to go to the Grand Canyon? It's just another ditch.
and she hasn't even gotten to the south rim yet.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. James.
Today is the south rim of the Grand Canyon. How about yesterday? Was that worth $500 or $600?
Yes, it was.
Yes,
Every
it
penny of
was.
But today we're heading, like I said, to the south rim. It's going to be about 97 degrees, 12% humidity. So
South Rim is gorgeous. It's our favorite part of the Grand Canyon.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
It's okay.
Who's excited?
We are! Yay!
All right, let's get this thing going.
Wild. Spectacular. Wow.
There's a hole in the ground, huh?
All I can say is wow in person. Holy cow. Ah.
Awesome. All I can say. It's awesome. Worth the trip.
They say the 7 wonders of the world. This has got to be number 1. What a job God did on this place. Amazing.
I thought this was man-made.
Yeah. Who made man?
Oh. What'd you buy?
What did I buy? I bought macaroni and cheese with bacon bits and scallions.
What's that?
I didn't buy it. Wife bought it. That's called a hat. Keeps my eyes covered from the sun, my ears covered from the sun, and my butt covered from the sun if I'm in an area that's the sun straight above me.
Fair enough.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. No words.
Hey, you're right. We'll show the picture. Can't see it. But we were here 2 years ago, our first trip here, and a guy was painting the view.
Oh my God.
That guy's 95.
He's driving. We're sitting here saying it's a miracle he's here, but now he's in a car and driving. That's what I want to say.
All right, boys and girls. This is our last stop on the tour of the south rim of the Grand Canyon. This is called the Watchtower at Desert View.
Desert View Watchtower.
So it's our last little bit of the Grand Canyon here before we start to head east a little bit.
ago when John and I came. We watched the sunset sitting right over the rim. John, I'll have to put some pictures. We were right over here. I remember now.
When we were here 2 years ago, this thing was like under construction, so you couldn't go in it, but there's people way up there. So I don't know if we're going in that thing or not. We'll see.
Holy cow, look at this. Yeah, we couldn't, this was under construction. We couldn't get anywhere near this tower.
All right, everyone. Class, any special thoughts about the Grand Canyon that we had today?
Oh, it
They
was
need more bathrooms.
so spectacular.
It's amazing. I'm not only amazed
It
at
is.
like the canyon, but I'm so amazed like at the top where it's so flat. It just blows my mind. It's like you can see forever.
Yeah,
The flat.
it's gorgeous.
And the cleanliness.
Absolutely gorgeous.
It's very grand.
There you go.
There you go.
They named it right.
So I think we're gonna head now towards Monument Valley, which is at the Utah-Arizona
That
border,
map?
and just see how far we can get and find somewhere to sleep for the night, and then rise and shine early tomorrow.
All right, well, we got like a 3 or 3.5 hour drive to the next town that we get to stop and stay in, so I guess we're gonna hit the bricks. Well, didn't get too far before we had to stop again with these amazing views, but there's a nice little trail down here that we're gonna go down and get some more nice views.